Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So in this morning video review, I want to cover Bitcoin and give you some of the levels that I'm looking at going into the weekend. Alright, it's about 8:45 a.m. Eastern here in US, April 27th, and Bitcoin is trading at 93.29 right now. Alright, so before we get started on the technicals, please make sure if you're new to the channel to subscribe to the channel and hit those notification and those bell icon, so you can get this content right away, and you can watch this video. Since this market is really dynamic, it moves pretty fast, and you want to keep up with it in order to make some profit. Alright, and if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, then please do give me a thumbs up. Alright, so as I said, Bitcoin is trading at around 9,300 right now. So if you go back to the video library, if you go back to my the channel video library, you'll see a lot of the videos that I have created. I have been calling regarding this channel that hey, we will see that resistance around that 9,400 mark. We saw that resistance. We had a little bit blowout top. Since then, we had this down 10% move down day, and we came on the money right on that dot to this resistance line. Well, now a support line. It used to be a resistance line, now a support line, which is coming all the way back from that February 6th time frame. Alright, now that's a very crucial trend line, because you know the price action has been respecting that trend line very well. What I mean by that is, going up, it is providing the resistance; coming down, it is providing the support. So we do want to watch that trend line really closely in order to make sure that we are making a positive trade. So if the price action stays over, as long as it stays over that this trend line, and provide the support, I'm bullish in Bitcoin making that 10,000 mark fairly soon. Alright, fairly soon meaning that perhaps into the weekend, late into the weekend. Usually into the weekend the volume dries up, so I'm not really I don't like to make any drastic calls during the weekend, because weekend volume and the price action can get manipulative fairly soon. We have seen that in the past, where the price action got pushed down due to low volume, and it's easy to do that if you have a decent size account, or if you have let's say if you're 4 or 5 traders are trading together and they have a decent size account, they can easily push the price action down into the weekend because of low volume, because there is no other people, there are not major trading that is going on during weekend, so it's quite easy to do that. So I don't like making drastic calls or any confidence call during the weekend. Anyways, but that being said, as long the price action stays over this trend line, I'm bullish. I'm looking for that 10,000 mark for intermediate, and then we will make that run toward that 11,700. Now it's not going to be walk in park, let me just tell you that. I mean, we have to go through a lot of the resistance level in order to make that run toward that 11,700 and then cross that 11,700. Alright, so that will, I mean, the momentum is on the upside, momentum is toward the bulls, but that doesn't mean that we just completely sell every what do you call, buy everything or go all in, sell all our assets and buy into Bitcoin. No, that's a wrong, that's a bad strategy. So make sure first thing, when you get into the trade, make sure you know your downside risk. Always remember, when you know your downside risk and when you limit your downside risk, upside will take care on its own. You don't have to worry about the upside, because it will take care on its own. If you worry about, if you can get your downside risk correct, the upside will be golden. All right. So let's do a let's look at a smaller time frame. I want to show you something on the smaller time frame actually. So if you look at this smaller time frame, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart right now. So we had this consolidation. If you see this this wedge that I created, we had this consolidation yesterday, and then we broke out of the consolidation. And the way that we're breaking out, this is very much technical, trading. This is not. I mean, this is not human trading. When I say human trading, when I'm talking about someone sitting behind the computer and clicking at buy and sell, this is systematically done through computer algorithms, machine trading, bot trading, whatever you want to call it. So the majority of this trading, I can definitely say that it's been done through computers or by computer softwares. The way they are doing the breakout, the way the consolidation happens, this is exactly like how the algorithms and the bot trading usually do their trading. And like the matter of fact that it's respecting all this key levels, the key support levels. It doesn't happen like the humans who are sitting behind the computer and hitting the buy and sell signals. Like the retail traders don't have that kind of discipline or like the level, the technical background in order to make this kind of systematic trading. So again, that really goes back and proves like what I was saying earlier, that a lot of the run that we are seeing right now seems to be very much computer generated run, and it's very much computer trading driven. So I just wanted to point that out, and the fact that it's respecting a lot of this support levels. All right. Now, something that can something that might change that is, let's say if there is some negative news comes out into media regarding some regulation or something just bad in general regarding crypto market, or or some kind of hack into into the exchange or something, then yeah, obviously this thing will change. This technical trading will change, because there will be a lot of momentum. The people who are just sitting on their Bitcoin will start dumping it. All right, so that will affect this technical trading that is going on right now. So I just want to bring that up. So it's not like just because it's respecting the technicals right now really well doesn't mean that it will always do so. That can change if there is a major news that comes out which is not in favor of cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. All right. So just want to bring your attention to that. So quick recap: as long as we are staying over this red trend line, I'm bullish in Bitcoin. We can make that run toward that 10,000 fairly soon. We have the 9400. We need to cross that. It is a resistance, so it's not going to be. There is a resistance at 9400, so we want to make sure that we are staying over that if we're crossing it, and the volume starts picking up. That's another thing. I would like to see the volume come up in order to make that break of 9400 level, and then that 9700. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any question. Post it in the comment. I'm fairly good about responding to them, and I will try to do some altcoins later today. Okay, thank you.